In this video, I'll show you how to add a weather widget to your Shopify website. It's gonna be completely free of charge without any credit card needed, and to get started, I've added a link in the description that you need to follow, so do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are loads of different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding, and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. And just to give you a quick preview, here's one of the template options embedded onto my Shopify website. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is to click the link down in the description. That's going to bring you to this website right here, where you need to go ahead and hover over widgets. From here, go ahead and locate tools, and all the way down at the bottom here, we have the weather. Go ahead and click there. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says create widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. Now, the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. For this demo, I will go ahead with this option right here that's called Daily Forecast. From here, you can go ahead and click Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. Now, the first customization part for this widget is to choose where you want to display the weather for. You can choose a specific location or your visitor's location. That means it's going to pull the data from where your visitor is visiting the website from. If you want to choose a specific location, just leave it as it is and then choose the location down here. Let's say that I want to do London in the UK. Aside from that, you can also choose a custom location name. Let's say that this weather widget is to show the weather around your shop. In that case, you can write your shop name like this and it's going to be displayed on the widget like so. If you're from Europe, this obviously doesn't look right because you use Celsius and not Fahrenheit. In that case, go ahead and click on settings on the left hand side. From here, go down to temperature unit and then go ahead and click and choose Celsius. Aside from that, you can also choose a different language or a different date format if you'd like. If you want to change the style of the widget or if you want to change the style or the colors of the widget, go ahead and click on style. From here, you have a few different style templates that you can click through. And here you can also choose to add a themed image, as you can see up here, to the very header of the widget, or just a background color. If you want to change the color, go ahead and click on the little color bubble right here, and then choose the color you'd like for the widget. I'm just going to stick with the blue. Aside from that, you can also choose whether to enable icons animation. You can toggle it on or off by clicking right here. It's a very subtle difference, but you can see when it's toggled off, the sun and the clouds don't move, and if it's toggled on, they move slightly. You can see it up here. You can also choose whether to display a temperature scale or even expand the forecast so you don't need to scroll. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elfsight if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up in the top right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select a $0 a month plan on the very left side by clicking the gray select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code. And now it's time to head back to our Shopify website designer. To add this widget to your Shopify website, start by going ahead and choosing what page to add it to. You can do that right here. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and add it to the home page. From here, you need to choose where you want to add it on the website. I'm going to add it to the midsection of my page right here, and that's on the template on the left-hand side. From here, go ahead and click on Add Section and scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Custom Liquid. That's going to open this up, and then on the right hand side under liquid code, go ahead and click there, and then we just need to enter the code that we copied before from Elfsight. You can do that by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right clicking and clicking on paste, and then just click away for a second. And as you can see when you scroll down, we now have a weather widget on our Shopify website. So that's how you can add a weather widget to Shopify. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.